You're getting uglier by the day and you're not even realizing it. It's your own habits. Those things that you do on a daily basis that it's almost like second nature to you, those are the exact things that are destroying your face. I'm gonna give you an example of this. Sun exposure. This is something you do not think about, especially because you're like, oh, I'm not going to the beach, I'm not going to the pool, I don't work outside. So then you believe that you're not getting that sun damage. But here's the reality. Even if you don't leave your home, if you have a window, and let's say you work by the window, or you commute to work and the sun's piercing through, that's enough sun damage on a daily basis to destroy your skin, reduce collagen and elasticity, and overall increase premature aging. There was a whole study done about this over a truck driver, a driver that never worked outside, was technically always indoors driving in his car, but because he never wore sunblock, the left side of his face, which was exposed to the sun that was coming in through the window, was severely deteriorated over the right side that didn't get the sun exposure. This is one of the worst things that can happen to your skin, and why I preach so much, you have to be wearing sunscreen. Every day after you wash, after you apply your moisturizer, put on a sunscreen. Number 2 is your crap diet. For example, high sugar foods, which is what most of you are eating, that can cause acne. Or high alcohol consumption, it can cause premature aging. Your skin is the largest organ of your body, and it is a direct reflection of what you eat. Like when people say you are what you eat, you technically become what you're eating. If you eat crap, your skin is gonna reflect that, and it's gonna look like crap. It's gonna add texture, it's gonna add acne, it's gonna lose its color, it's gonna lose its vibrancy and its elasticity, and overall, it's gonna make you uglier. And this exactly takes me to my third one. You're over exfoliating. See, again, if you've listened to me for any amount of time, you know you need that proper skincare system, right? You need to be doing the face wash, the exfoliating, the moisturizer, but like anything good, if you overdo it, you could be damaging your skin. And the problem is that you're not realizing it, you're doing it thinking you're doing something good. And a lot of men tend to over exfoliate or over wash their face. The first time you exfoliate, you're gonna notice your skin's gonna be soft. So what ends up happening, you do it over and over and over again, and now you're over exfoliating your skin, which can cause dryness, inflammation, irritation, and overall weaken your skin in a state where it can be susceptible to bacteria infection and acne, stuff you do not want. This is why I love our sponsor, Geology. I've talked about them before. Geology sends you a system to your door so you don't have to be shopping around for products. So now you have what you need, but more importantly, they tell you how to use it. They show you how much you should use, at what rate. They give you the entire breakdown so it's foolproof. You're never going to be over or underdoing it and making sure your skin is right. But more than anything, the reason why Geology is better than anything you'll find in the market is because they give you what you actually need. You and I have different skin types. The products that I use will not work for you and vice versa. There is no universal skincare product that works for everyone. With Geology, they send you a custom product. You get to talk to a skin professional that looks at your skin, looks at your skin type, looks at your skin problems, and then they design a custom set for your problems to make sure you tackle the problems that you actually have and receive products that work. If you guys want to check out Geology, they're going to be linked down below, and these guys always hook it up for you guys. When it comes to my audience, bro, they're taking care of us. If you guys click the link down below and check it out, for the first month, you're gonna get 70% off, which is an absolute steal. Yo, 70% off on your first month's box. Like, even to just try it out 1 month and see what great products can do for your skin and for how good you're gonna look, you guys should pull the trigger. If you guys wanna check it out, click that link below. Number 4. You're not sleeping enough. This is when the dark eye circles comes in. This is when the complexion of tiredness comes in. This is why you look beat up every day. The best thing you can do is add a few more hours to your sleep. This is exactly why I love sleep trackers. You probably see me wearing one all the time. I've been wearing it for well over 1.5 years. Probably the best investment you can do as a man, because you can truly numerically see that you're hitting your sleep goals every day, and you see how good you sleep. And I'm gonna tell you this. Every time I have a good week's of sleep, I'm talking about I'm all green, I'm hitting those 7-8 hours, I feel on top of the world. I don't need coffee. I don't need energy drinks. My energy's over the roof. This is the best thing you can do, because this is when your brain replenishes. This is when your skin, which is your organ, also replenishes. This is when your muscles replenish. Adding those extra hours, it's crucial. This takes it to number 5. You're too stressed out. I need you to get those emotions under control. Stress can lead to a breakdown of collagen. Collagen is essential. It's like the building block of your skin. It's what gives your skin that youthfulness, that tightness, that firmness. When you're overly stressed, it can lead to a saggy looking, inflamed face, which is why reducing those cortisol levels, learning how to control your emotions, can overall affect your appearance, which ultimately rolls us to number 6. You're taking hot showers. showers, and this is one of those habits that everyone does because it's just comfortable, but you just don't realize just how damaging it is to your skin. And the prolonged usage of this, you're taking a shower every day, twice a day, with steaming hot water, you're quite literally stripping your skin of its hydration, of the natural oils that it needs, and leaving it susceptible to any sort of damage. See, when you take off all that oil, all that hydration, your skin dries up, and you start getting mini cracks in your skin. This is why it looks all hard and tough. Those cracks, they're easy to get infected with bacteria and other contaminants, and this is when you start getting the acne, the breakouts, the texture, the stuff that you do not want. Lukewarm water is the best alternative. It's not too cold, it's not too hot, but it's just right to make sure it's comfortable and not destroying your skin.